Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about LazyGit and learn you how you can configure it. Okay, first thing, what is LazyGit? LazyGit is a terminal UI for Git commands that I used a lot for my work. And okay, that's it. Let's install it. What you have to do first is you have to install curl and git. Okay, how you can install those? You can just open up your terminal and type sudo apt install git. This is the first step, and the second step is for the installation of LazyGit. How you can do it is you have to install curl to install. Okay, how you can install curl? You just have to type sudo apt install curl, and after you did this, you have to go to the LazyGit GitHub repository and scroll down, or you can just search, which I choose to scroll. Okay, you have to find this if you want to install it for Ubuntu, Solos, anything you like, any OS. My operating system is Ubuntu, so I have to copy this command and enter it in terminal, press enter and wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, I already did that, so I don't have to. But after that, I'm going to show you some examples from LazyGit, so how you can work with it. First of all, I'm going to open a Git repository that I'm in it, like this project. Let's choose a branch, like Suket branch. Open up this file so we can see the changes actually. Okay, let's go to the repository. You just have to type nvim, and if you use it's not mine but I use it, if you use the configuration I used in the last video, you have to press space plus tg, and there you go, you have the LazyGit page. Okay, let's do some changes in files, like I'm going to come here and add some commands. Call it LazyGit test. Okay, after you did that, you have to save it. After that, you have to press tg again, space tg, and there's a lot of parts. This is the status part, this is the files you changed, and on stage changes you can see the difference between last and the saved file. Down there you can press tab to switch between parts. You have to press tab, and in branches you can see the last push, commits. You just have to press shift this, and there you go, shift minus and shift plus to see the commits, and that's it. Okay, first I have to go to the file, press C to commit, press enter, and let's say this is the commit summary, LazyGit test. You have to press enter, and when it's going to here, you don't have see any files. You just have to press shift plus P to push, and as you can see there is something called pushing, and that's it. You can go to the commit page and you see last commit is for me, and let's go here to see the changes. Okay, as you can see, this comment added, and if you go back you can see the commit summary. That's what you have to know about LazyGit to start, and I guess that's the thing you work with it the most times, so I don't think you have anything like needed. And there's another thing, if you like to add branch, and it's like you have to open a terminal and type git branch. You just have to press tab, and let me see, I just want to add feature connect, origin feature connect. Okay, if you see git branch, press enter, and you see I added here. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.